Welcome back to my channel. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another inspired by video. So today's look is inspired by the one and only Bretman Rock. And I saw this look on his Instagram yesterday and I definitely was like, I want to recreate this look. So this is the look that I am inspired by today, as you can see. And I wanted to do this look because I haven't done a look with jewels yet, or like diamonds. And I know that's been kind of like on trend in the makeup world, so I wanted to give it a shot. I really like how this came out. I had fun creating this look, so if you guys want to see how I created this beautiful, inspired, green glam look, then keep on watching. Like my last inspired by video, I don't even know how I'm gonna go about doing this, but I have a few things in front of me and we're just gonna wing it. We're just gonna see how this goes and hope it goes well. So I have my foundation on and my brows and my blush and my contour. Yeah, so we are going to go ahead and prime the eyes with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer. So I'm going to go ahead and create the outline of the eyeshadow, and I'm going to use the white out of that Kryolan makeup palette. I'm just going to dip my brush in some water. Okay, so I just created the outline. So let's see if I can mix some green. So I need the green, and I'm just going over the white. So I'm just going to go all over the lid with this green color. Okay, so that is what we have so far. I'm going to let that dry. For the next green, I'm going to be using the ColourPop Pressed Pigment in this color. And I'm going to use this to just outline. I'm just using that to brighten up just the top layer. And so for the lid, I'm using the Makeup Forever Artist Color Shadow in ME338. I'm going to use this color to clean up the previous eyeshadow to kind of give it more of a clean cut crease. I'm going to go back with the last eyeshadow just to redefine the line. Alright, so just to brighten up some of the lid, I'm going to use a kind of like a flesh tone shimmer color to add some. Just to create a little bit of highlight. As much as I have two different colors, maybe the camera's reading it a little more than I think it is, but I want a little more contrast. So that's pretty much the eyeshadow aspect of it. Okay, so now for the fun part. The look has diamonds, so I do have these jewels from Michaels. We're gonna go ahead and do the two big ones first. Okay, I got one on, guys. Okay, so we got two jewels on. Cool. Okay, all right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pop some lashes on. Lashes are on. Lashes are on. And for lip, I'm just gonna keep very simple, and I'm gonna use Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle up to no good. And I think I'm gonna use the Pat McGrath lip liner in Supernatural. Alright guys, this is the final look. I really like how it came out. I think the diamonds are a really cool little addition to the look. It kind of just gives a more glamorous, a little more glam to the look. I enjoyed creating this makeup look and I would love to do more. If you guys have any suggestions on a different look that I should do or anything that I should create or recreate, definitely leave a comment down below or send me a DM on Instagram. Definitely reach out to me, and shout out to me for making these earrings. I do make some jewelry on the side, so if you guys want to see more about my jewelry, let me know. I can make a video on that. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel so you can see more of my videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!